where the local
Thanks very much.
For your own comfort, but especially for your safety, could you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as items which may have become displaced during the flight could fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. On behalf of our captain this morning, Kim Lavioda, and all the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus. We do hope you enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to welcoming you on another flight in the very near future. We'd like to remind you about our website, aerlingus.com, where you'll find the cheapest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and car hire. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we wish you all a very safe onward journey. Slán agus maith le go léir. Thank you and goodbye.
Another 727.
That's